Hi, I'm Renuka Pujary. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. It's been 6 months that I wanted to get into trading completely. After completing Vishal sir's course, I actually felt that he has taken a lot of effort to design this structure of his course, where he has built up various trading setups which are very well back tested. He also wants his students to back test them and then get into actual trading. He has touched upon various topics like indicators, technical indicators, which are very new for me. He also taught how to use a trading software, which will be very helpful for a new trader because reading charts and analysis becomes very difficult for a beginner. So yes, he's this can be a very helpful topic. Also, there are scenarios for a trader where situations he gets confused during market hours, like the entry, the exit, stop loss targets. So he has covered it so well. Vishal sir actually taught every individual how to tackle these situations during market hours according to his own risk appetite. So I think yes, he made us understand how to control on our emotions during market hours. The most important thing about his course is the mentorship program. He holds these mentorship program every 15 days, which is not at all chargeable after his course. Here, all his students come together with their queries which they had during their working market hours. And he also discusses some of the current scenarios during market hours. So I think after every 15 days, getting your query solved by a person who is into market for more than a decade is an added advantage for everyone, not only for a beginner but also for an experienced trader. Overall, the entire course, I really felt very good, because generally what happens is a course starts and then a course ends, but here it is a journey which we are going to be with Vishal sir for our trading career. So yeah, I think it has been a very helpful course for me. People, I would recommend that who want to do their career in trading, this can be the best option as of now. Thank you.